Alrighty guys, welcome back to another banger video. Currently, it is 10:39 p.m. I don't know if you guys can see the actual timer, but yeah, it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna talk about step by step how I made $169,000 in the last few months with online coaching, and I'm gonna destroy every single one of your limiting beliefs. So you might be saying it's hard, my niche is saturated, I'm in a saturated market. I can't stand out because there's so many other coaches. I don't care if you're in an online coaching coaches space or like online coaches helping agency owners, whatever coaching niche you're in, this can work. And also, if you're saying, I just want to scale in the simplest, most predictable and fun way possible, this is how to do it. So yeah, without further ado, my name is Jeremy Degg. I help online coaches and some agency owners as well, under 10K per month, scale to 20 to 30K per month with a niche authority funnel, which is like building an audience, and also like one ad funnel. But anyways, this is how to do it. So probably have your niche, which is like your niche and the right avatar. So you probably understand who that is. So I'm going to go over that. Client acquisition, closing high ticket deals, making people buy from you and you specifically, consistently increasing revenue every single month, and never being bad at sales ever again. And that's a bonus. So I'll go over that kind of later down in the video. But like I said earlier, you probably know the niche and service that you're in. So that goes into who the exact client avatar you want to work with, how to become the go-to in your niche, and also where they hang out and how to capture their attention, because we're going to be focusing on getting their attention and not just blasting them with cold DM or anything cold outreach based. Actually getting them to know, like, and trust us so that so you get a higher ROAS and just overall scale like crazy. But anyways, how to do that is by these three things. So having one offer, showcasing your new big thing, and niche audience. So within that is niche plus service, content marketing, and lead pool. So your one offer is obviously your niche and service, showcasing your new big thing, which pretty much just is like your service, but showcasing it like it's the Lord and Savior, not actually the Lord and Savior, but like the go-to. And we do that by content marketing. And the niche audience is just building a lead pool in the form of an audience. Furthermore, how we do that is through social media. So you're probably wondering like which social media platform. I'll get to that in a second. So within social media, you can make content to get them nurtured. You can converse with them because there's a DM feature. And also, you can get them pre-sold because you're showcasing your offer before the sales call. So the last thing to do is pretty much buy from you, and answer maybe some FAQs and stuff like that. But anyways, you're probably wondering like, okay, there's so many different platforms on social media. There's so many different things to actually sell your service. There's cold outreach. There's, like Instagram, YouTube, low ticket, Facebook, webinars, LinkedIn, all that kind of stuff. So there's tons of different things. Like, which one do I choose from? As long as it gives you these three things, which is giving clarity on what you do, who you are, and how valuable your offer is, and also making your offer messaging actually resonate with them so they, again, want to buy from you. And lastly, get them to understand that this is all they need to scale. That kind of goes into like the lead pool and showcasing your new big thing. Cool. So now that we got that figured out, it's like, where do we get these eyeballs to actually nurture and to do this whole entire thing to? Whether it's Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, whatever, you're like, how do I actually get a ton of leads to showcase my new big thing? So it's ads, retargeting ads, VSLs, content, and community. Like, this is exactly what I did. And I pretty much stuck with like one social platform. So you guys might be on Facebook right now, YouTube, whatever. What I use and kind of like what I found the best is Instagram. You guys can kind of, do YouTube within it, but I just pretty much use Instagram. So my clients do, and so on. You guys can see like the monsoon of results. Anyways, what I do with Instagram is DM ads and follow ads. So I'll go over follow ads right here. So it's follow ads and long-form content nurturing. So right now, I kind of do YouTube to do the long-form content nurturing. But within follow ads, it's pretty much all you need to scale to like 20, 30K per month. Like, this is from like 5K to 40K. This is all I did, which is just Instagram ads. So it's having a setter. If you guys don't have a setter, that's totally fine. You guys can DM the people yourselves. But overall, people that follow you go straight to the DMs. Like, let's say someone followed you from the follow ad, you open that notifications tab, and then you actually DM them. That's what I mean. And then they watch your VSL, maybe by you sending it to them, and then they book a call. So overall, if they don't book a call, you can converse with that prospect and then book them in. Furthermore, like, if they don't actually book in straight from, let's say like they left you on red, you have more content nurturing just by you kind of posting on your Instagram. You guys can see my Instagram posts right over here, and it just works pretty well. And within DM ads, it's the same thing, except they DM you. So it's long form, DM ads, boom, hit the DMs, VSL, and then you book a call. So both of these, they have pre-call systems. So the pre-call system is just like an added layer of warmth since you're posting content already and posting long form, let's say, posting short form like reels, carousels, all that kind of stuff. So basically you just kind of posting your content every single day and also like posting on your stories is an added layer of warmth. Just by having that pre-call system dialed in, you're doing that already. Also, you can blast them with the reminders, through emails, through text, stuff like that. So that's exactly what I did when it comes to like the client acquisition portion to actually make sure that people are, converted properly. Because you can dial this whole thing in, but if you have no leads to actually do this for, you're pretty much just shooting yourself in the foot. You might as well not have an offer in place already. So I knew that going into the space, which is like, a pretty murky water space of online coaches, of agency owners, I had to stick out. So the main way to stick out is not by blasting people with cold outreach, but by showcasing my offer, showcasing me before I actually converse with them. So when I do converse with them and get all these leads in from ads, they come to me, stuff like that, they're already ready to buy. And this is something I did even pre-ads. When I was even sending outreach, I'd always make sure I have a personal brand in place with my Facebook when I was running my agency and stuff like that. But yeah, that's basically all I did. So let's say like you run a follow ad, it's pretty good. So like you're getting actual leads in. If you want to get more leads, more people to close, just increase your ad spend. Same exact thing with follow ads, same exact thing with DM ads, stuff like that. So yeah, client acquisition is like the easiest thing when it comes to running a business, because once you find your winning ad, just increase your ad spend. The hard part is the above, which is getting them to actually be nurtured properly and getting these leads to actually want to buy from you and you specifically. So you guys can pretty much choose any kind of platform, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it may be, as long as it can dial in these three things, which is giving clarity. You make your offer the go-to, and you also get them to understand that this is all they need to scale, and also having a DM feature. I'm not sure if TikTok has that, but yeah, anyways, going down over here, why this works. So you trim the fat and you automate. So what I mean by that is like you take your prospect, or you take yourself out of the daily prospecting, you pre-sell them on your offer before you hop on a call with them, because I would never hop on a call with somebody that's like, okay, who are you and what do you do? Like at that point, I'll just cancel the call and just like send them a VSL. So it takes you out of that hard selling phase. And also you're working with your ideal client avatar, because these ads, like you're targeting them specifically, because you can do that in like the Facebook ad feature, but also you're saying exactly who you want to work with just by those reels. You guys can see those ads pretty much like every single day, where it's like, if you are a real estate agent, if you are an online coach, stuff like that. They're pretty repetitive, but we do them a certain way so that we're attracting those people and they actually want to buy from us, and that goes from the offer pre-selling. Cool. When it comes to like the projection calculator and doing the ads, like let's say you book 30 calls, you have a 30% closing rate, and the price tag of your offer is pretty low, like let's say $2,000. If you close 10 people, that's already $20K per month. And these are pretty low numbers. Like I doubt you'll have a 30% closing rate if you do the niche authority funnel, because you're offer pre-selling and you're getting tons and tons of volume, like hundreds of people a day viewing your profile, wanting to follow you, stuff like that. So if you're doing one call a day with these numbers and your offer is only 2K a month, yeah, you just need to close 10 clients, so that's 20K per month. And imagine if you're to spend like 5K on ads, that's still 15K per month. And if you want to, make another 30K per month, or just like 30K in total, just spend 10K a month on ads. Like it sounds crazy to spend 10K a month on ads, but I'll spend that any day if that's making me 30K or 20K in additional cash collected. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And again, these are like low numbers, so I doubt it's going to be that low. So basically, when it comes to just dialing in this whole thing in, your IG is optimized, your offer is showcased, your ads are running. So basically, the niche authority funnel is dialed in. From there, just scale it. So just increase your ad spend, keep posting content, and stuff like that. Because this is basically all I did, like to scale to 40K per month with my online coaching business and just make a ton of money with it. I didn't do any kind of crazy VSL funnel. I don't even think I had like a proper VSL ad in place. I just had a VSL to send them as a pre-call system. But all I did was showcase my offer on my Instagram, kind of looked at it as like a website, let's say, ran ads towards it so people can land on my profile and watch more of my content. And yeah, like who would you buy from? Somebody that chose a niche and service, blasted you with cold DMs, and then followed up with you 1,000 times in hopes and praise that they actually hop on a call with you? Or would you buy from somebody that you found through an ad, you liked what they said, you followed them, you watched their content, you saw their free value, you actually conversed with them in the DMs, and the offer resonated, and yeah, you bought from them from there. Like, who would you actually want to work with? So that's why I kind of took note of that, and it's exactly what I did with my coaching business. But yeah, going back to right over here. So make more ads like the ads already worked, make more content that warms up your audience, and book prospects in and close them, and just pretty much repeat from that whole entire thing. So this works for every single niche, every single offer. Don't worry about saturation, because authenticity and personal branding will never die. Like I know for a fact, if Alex Mosey was like, if you give me $1,000, I'll help you scale your business. Like, he doesn't even have to tell you what you'll go over, just because he has that authority. This is why personal branding will never die. And focus on simplicity. Your offer stands out just by showcasing you. You can have the same exact offer, same exact everything, but if you're showcasing it and how valuable it is, people will buy from it, especially if you're running ads, because you're getting more people, more volume with it. So if you're running ads and you're not closing, it's not the ad's fault because you're getting the lead volume. It's probably because you're not showcasing your offer properly. So in that case, you're getting them to know, like, and trust you and actually want to buy from you. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is exactly what I did. If you guys want to see more of the results, there's a few over here, but I have more on my Instagram at Jeremy Degg if you guys want to see all these stuff. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.